This chapter delves into a very important phase called shaping, which is crucial for successful project planning and stakeholder management. All right, before we dive deeper, let's take a brief pause and review our journey up to this point. We started by identifying our guiding light, the North Star metric. This is the key performance indicator that guides the overall direction of our product. With user research methods, we laid the groundwork. This ensured we're making informed decisions based on actual user needs and behaviors. From there, we build our opportunity tree. This allows us to visualize and prioritize problems, right? And we can brainstorm potential solutions. Now that we have a clear picture of the problems we want to solve and a list of potential solutions, our next step is critical. It's time to shape and define these solutions with precision, ensuring that we pass the baton to the design and development team so they have a crystal clear roadmap to follow. A well-designed solution is the difference between a project that runs smoothly and one riddled with missteps. You may be wondering, what exactly is shaping? It's a great question. At its fundamental level, shaping is the process of defining and refining high-level aspects of a project with a group of senior team members before it's handed off to a team for development. For our Food Fleet app, let's imagine we want a loyalty program. Without shaping, this idea is just a vague concept. Should users earn points per order? How many points? Should there be tiers? Shaping answers these questions for your team. It takes this broad idea and crafts a clear, actionable path. Additionally, the collaborative process of shaping ensures our ambitions are grounded. It checks if our ideas can be turned into realities within the constraints of time, resources, and technology. If Food Fleet wanted to introduce a feature, the team would assess if we have the technological capability, the necessary time, and the right skills in our team to execute it during this whole shaping process. The fact that we shape with senior team members ensures that projects stay aligned with the North Star metric. We might have 100 exciting ideas, but do they all align with our company's strategic vision? Shaping ensures that each project contributes to our broader objectives. Without a well-defined scope, teams can easily drift into scope creep, where projects keep expanding with no clear end in sight. Shaping defines these boundaries, ensuring efforts are focused and purposeful. And now that we understand the importance of shaping, let's delve into how to do it. The first step is ensuring you have the right minds in the room. Select trusted colleagues who operate at your level and share similar background knowledge. They should be equipped to not only understand your ideas, but contribute dynamically to discussion. Begin with your opportunity tree. This is a visual representation that stems from research, highlighting the potential areas to work on. It maps out both problems and potential solutions, offering a structured way to approach the shaping process. Now it's time to sketch the solutions. A fundamental principle of shaping is keeping the sketches abstract enough so that the team can figure out the details later, while keeping it concrete enough so that the team knows exactly what to do. Relying on a combination of user research and your own product intuition, while your research provides insights into user needs and desires, your intuition, based on experience, can guide how these insights turn into solutions. Remember, there's never just one right answer. Practice multi-tracking, which is the act of considering multiple potential approaches. And as you craft each solution, play the devil's advocate. Poke holes, challenge assumptions, and ensure every angle is considered. So how do you ideate these solutions? Basecamp suggests two effective techniques. The first one is called breadboarding. The first element in breadboarding is places. Think of these as the different environments or stages a user might find themselves in. For a mobile app like Food Fleet, places could include the home screen, a user profile section, or a payment pop-up. Next, we have affordances. These are actionable items within a place. So within the Food Fleet app's home screen, which is a place, you might have a search bar, a category list, and a cart button. Each of these are affordances that enable the user to perform specific actions. The final component is the connections. Connections map out how a user might navigate from one place to another, or how one affordance links to a different place. For instance, clicking on the cart button on the home screen might lead the user to the checkout screen. In essence, breadboarding allows you to chart the user's journey across your app. It's a bird's eye view that doesn't delve deep into design specificities, but captures the core user flow. It's about ensuring that the main components of your app connect seamlessly and intuitively. In the early stages of ideation, diving too deep into design specifics can be a hindrance. Breadboarding keeps things high level, ensuring clarity of flow and functionality without getting caught up in the detailed design. It's about understanding the skeleton before fleshing out the body. As the team lays out the breadboard, there will naturally be discussions and debates. These conversations are invaluable as they help refine the idea, understanding potential pitfalls, and ensuring all team members have clarity. Consider multiple approaches to the problem. Breadboarding is quick and doesn't require many resources, so teams might work and then decide on the most promising direction. Once the basic flow is established, go over again and refine the idea, eliminate any unnecessary steps, and ensure the solution is as streamlined as possible. As we continue to explore the techniques of shaping, always remember that these tools, including breadboarding, are there to aid clarity and streamline the process, setting a strong foundation for what's to come. The second technique is fat marker sketches. If you're looking to create a visual concept without getting bogged down by intricate details, this is your go-to method. The broad strokes of a fat marker enforce you to focus on high-level design elements. Now, why a fat marker? The essence of this technique lies in its simplicity. When you have a tool that can't capture minute details, you're compelled to think about the broader picture, the primary elements that truly matter. Imagine sketching out a screen for your app with a fine-tipped pen. You might get lost in the details, the exact positioning of a button, the shade of a color, or the precise icons. But these details, while very important later in the design process, can be distractions in the early stages. The goal during ideation is to quickly visualize concepts and determine their viability and effectiveness. With a fat marker, you're forced to focus on what's crucial. The general layout. Where will the main elements be positioned? User flow. How will users navigate through the app? Key features. What are the primary actions or sections on the screen? For instance, if we're sketching up a preliminary design for our loyalty program on the Food Fleet app, a fat marker sketch might just show a large section for the user's pain points, a button to redeem them, and maybe a sidebar showing benefits. It's all about capturing the essence of the idea. Moreover, these sketches often promote more feedback. Since they're not refined designs, team members feel more open to suggesting changes without the fear of offending the designer or the original idea creator. To sum it up, fat marker sketches act as a bridge between your initial idea and the detailed design. They help teams quickly visualize, iterate, and align on the shared vision without getting lost in the weeds of design specifications. But what comes after shaping? How do we ensure that the rest of our team, from designers to developers, understand the project and can run with it? This is where our next chapter comes into play. We transition from the realm of ideation to communication. We'll delve into crafting compelling pitches, a way to articulate our shaped ideas persuasively and clearly. So, let's see you in the next video.